truly provides all the essential nutrients needed to maintain a healthy body? As a nutrition doctor with over 30 years of experience, I've met countless patients who believed they were eating healthily, only to find they were missing key nutrients. Nutrition isn't just about eating, it's about fueling your body with the right foods to function at its best. A lack of essential nutrients can leave you feeling fatigued, weaken your immune system, and increase the risk of chronic diseases. But don't worry, by understanding the 6 essential nutrients, you can build a diet that keeps you healthy, energized, and protected from illness. Carbohydrates are the body's primary energy source, but not all carbs are created equal. Whole grains, sweet potatoes, oats, and brown rice provide steady energy and essential fiber, while refined sugar, white bread, and processed foods lead to blood sugar spikes and crashes. Choosing the right carbohydrates can significantly improve your energy levels and overall health. Fats are often misunderstood, but the right kinds play a crucial role in vitamin absorption, heart health, and brain function. Healthy fats from sources like olive oil, avocado, salmon, and nuts help reduce inflammation and support overall well-being. In contrast, industrial vegetable oils, fried foods, and trans fats contribute to weight gain, heart disease, and other health issues. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues. It supports muscle growth, maintains lean body mass, and plays a vital role in immune function. Lean meats, fish, eggs, lentils, and tofu are excellent sources of high-quality protein. On the other hand, processed meats like sausages and deli meats contain preservatives and unhealthy fats that may increase the risk of chronic disease. Vitamins and minerals are crucial for immune support, metabolism, and various bodily functions. Vitamin D and calcium are essential for strong bones, while vitamin B12 supports the nervous system and blood health. Iron and magnesium help with energy production and regulate blood pressure. A well-balanced diet rich in green vegetables, fruits, nuts, and dairy provides these essential nutrients naturally. Water is often overlooked, but it is one of the most important nutrients for overall health. It helps transport nutrients, remove toxins, regulate body temperature, and keep your body functioning properly. Drinking at least 2 liters of water per day is essential for maintaining hydration and overall well-being. Bioactive compounds, while not classified as essential nutrients, can offer incredible health benefits. Found in foods like carrots, tomatoes, red grapes, green tea, and dark chocolate, these compounds act as antioxidants and may help prevent heart disease, cancer, and boost immunity. Incorporating these into your diet can enhance your overall health and longevity. With the growing popularity of dietary supplements, it's important to approach them with caution. Not all supplements are safe, and some are poorly regulated, leading to potential health risks. Instead of relying on pills and powders, prioritize natural, whole foods to meet your nutritional needs. Before taking any supplement, consult with a professional to ensure it is safe and necessary for your health. Good nutrition isn't just about living longer, it's about living better. When you fuel your body with the right nutrients, you feel more energetic, strengthen your immune system, and improve your overall well-being. But remember, there is no magic pill that can replace a balanced diet. Smart eating habits, along with a focus on whole, unprocessed foods, are the key to long-term health. If you found this information helpful and want to learn more about nutrition and wellness, be sure to subscribe. Don't forget to like and share this video to help spread valuable knowledge. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.